Hi guys, Liz here at projectvanity.com. So today I am going to be showing you a graduation look. So this look is going to be fresh, it's going to be elegant and classic so that you look great in photos and it's something that you'll love looking at even after years to come. First of all, I've already actually done my foundation. I use the Tom Ford Traceless Liquid Foundation. This is pricey, but you can use any of your favorite liquid foundations and you can set it with your favorite translucent powder. In my case, I use the La Mer, the powder to set everything, and it just gave me a very nice matte yet very natural look. So when you're graduating, of course you want to avoid looking like a pastillas, right? Especially sa photography. As for my kilay, I've already done it as well using the Clio Kill Brow Auto Hard Brow Pencil. So this is just a pencil which has a very soft, very natural finish, and I just did it the usual way. I also did my contour a little bit. That's the Benefit Hula. For today, I just really want to focus more on my eyes, my cheeks, and the lips. So more on the colors that you can use. Now, you don't have to specifically use the exact same products, but you can use the same colors because, you can't go wrong with a really good color combination. So let me begin now with my eye makeup. So for my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using this Glossier Lid Star in Cub. So this is a nice sort of rose gold liquid eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna dot that on lids. I use it as a eyeshadow primer because it sticks on the lids fairly well for me. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer, you can use like a cream concealer. Make sure to just pat everything down, and that will serve as your eyeshadow primer. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna be using this Pixie by Petra Eye Reflection Shadow Palette in Natural Beauty. So this one, I think, is their new one. And it has a nice selection of neutral colors that's definitely perfect for a graduation ceremony. I want to begin with this shade right here. This is called Antique Rose. And this is just a nice sort of rose gold shade that will match any outfit, actually. By the way, I'm using a Pixie E01 eyeshadow brush to apply that rose gold on my lid area. Nice. So that's our first color. For the next shade, we want to kind of contour the crease area. So for that, I'm going to be using this matte brown shade right here. It's a neutral brown, and I'm just going to use a domed brush with that. This is the Pixie E03 brush. So I'm just going to start from the outer part of my lid. You want to go in between that bone and your eyeball. When you're trying to create a very diffuse color for your eyeshadow, you want to go back and forth. Of course, gently. Don't like rub your eyes naman or anything like that, but you just want that back and forth motion to make sure that the color doesn't kind of stay in just one place. And actually, if you're more for a natural look, you can actually stop here. You can do your mascara and your eyeliner, and you're done. This looks like a really nice eyeshadow look now. So after this, we're gonna go for a dark brown. You just want to start from the outer part of your eyelids, and just sort of work on that V-shaped area of your eyes. So for the lower lid, I'm gonna go back to that smaller lid brush that I used earlier, and we're gonna get that same shade, which is chocolate brown, and I'm just gonna pick that up and apply that to sort of darken my lower lid area. So I'm just really patting that on. As you can see, I've started from the outer part of my lid going in. I want to apply some shimmer on the inner corner because shimmer in the inner side of the eyes just really kind of brings it out and makes the whole look a lot fresher. So in this part, I'm just really applying the Antique Rose shade just to sort of highlight the inner part of my lid area. Finally, I just want to blend all of this together. I have here a Pixie E02 eyeshadow brush. So this is a fluffier brush and just really nice for achieving the sort of blend on the brow bone. And finally, for a nice sort of pop of shimmer on this part, I'm gonna get this shade called Sheer Sand, and that'll just go right underneath the brow bone so that when the light hits that eye, it looks really, really pretty. Ayan. That's pretty much it for the eyeshadow look. I want to finish up by using my Shiseido lash curler just to curl the lashes. I always do that two-part curl. First on the roots of the lashes or near the roots of the lashes. And then I do a second curl, sort of like in the middle, and then tilt the curler upwards. I like to curl my lashes before eyeliner because it kind of keeps myself from disturbing my eyeliner once it's set. Kasi pag nag-eyeliner ka na, tapos nag-curl ka ng lashes, ang tendency, natanggal yung eyeliner, medyo nagpapachi-pachi. So, for my eyeliner today, I'm gonna go with the black eyeliner, very classic, very nice, and I want to do like a little bit of a cat eye. So, for that, I'm gonna be using the K Palette One Day Real Lasting Eyeliner. This is just the black one. And I like to start from the inside and I create that nice winged shape. From there, I just like to sort of fill in the gap. So I just practically stamp the eyeliner on. If you like sort of like a smokier, more natural sort of line, then go for a pencil liner. Okay, so if you want to be a little bit extra, you can also use a brown eyeliner. This one is the K Tokyo Sharp Lock Gel Pencil in just a deep brown color. So the mascara that I'll be using today is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. So I actually didn't like this at first. I've had this for a few months now. Hindi ko siya peg nung ginamit ko siya at first. Pero now, I really like it. And a lot of people tell me, or rather ask me, Miss Liz, why don't you use false lashes? I like false lashes. If you curl your lashes really well and if you have a good mascara on hand, you can create really, really nice effect. And that's coming from someone na talagang bagsak na bagsak yung lashes. Walang ka-curl-curl yung lashes ko. My lashes can kembot to save its life. For my lipstick, I have a tip for you. What I do is I combine two products. I use a lip liner and then I use a lipstick. One of my favorite lip liners is this one from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail Lip Liner in nude. So before you do all of this pala, you have to put lip balm on. I have here the In Her Element Nourishing Cocoa Lip Balm. This is a super nice lip balm, 185 lang, available in herelement.ph. You can proceed to your chosen lipstick. Now, I went for the Clio Mad Matte in 09 because I just really love this color, sort of like a rosy brown. I just like how pretty it registers. Okay, so we're done with our lipstick and our eyes. We're now gonna proceed with blush. So for my blush, I'm gonna use this one from Marc Jacobs. This is the Marc Jacobs Kink and Kisses Air Blush. I love this color. I'm just gonna apply this peachy shade on the apples of my cheeks with my blush brush. And then for the highlighter, I'm gonna be using this one from Ofra, All Glowed Up. And I'm gonna go for this highlighter right here. If you don't get oily naman on this part, you can put a nice touch of highlighter and it just really kind of opens up everything and creates such a nice glow for the skin. So just to finish everything up, we're gonna do a little bit of nose contour. So I have here the Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodon, but any neutral brown matte shadow can work too. And what I do is I just really sort of work that down the nose, and then you also want to blend the sides also. See? Look at how nice that is. So that's it, guys, for the graduation look. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please don't forget to follow me. I am Liz Lanuza on Instagram. I'm also Project Vanity.com there. And of course, don't forget to read ProjectVanity.com for your daily dose of beauty. I'll see you there, guys. Bye!